Everybody, we'll stop the iPhone.
No, well, I'll do.
Everybody has iPhones right here, don't?
How do you
I want to
reset
get the
it?
fucking.
The iOS 7.
I don't even know what that is.
Front of tractor. On the bottom, you check for fuel, oil, coolant. Then you go to the middle. Headlights, make sure they're not cracked, broken. Highs and lows work. All the screws are there. Signal lights are amber in color, working properly. Top lights, 3 in the middle indicate commercial vehicle. Make sure they're orange in color, working properly, no screws missing. The 2 on the sides are height and width. Side of tractor, coolant reservoir, make sure it's not cracked, broken, leaking. No bolts missing, and the hose is not leaking and on right. Water pump, make sure it's not cracked, broken, leaking. Belt driven, belts make sure they're not more than 3/4 of an inch play and no tear and wear. Alternator, make sure it's bolted on right, no exposed wires, frayed wires. Belt driven, make sure there's no tear and wear on the belt, and no more than 3/4 of an inch play. Power steering pump, make sure it's not cracked, broken, leaking, and it's gear driven. Exhaust, make sure there's no broken welds and bolted on, and nothing black, meaning there's fumes coming out of it.